Hi, it's Tyson again with Team Our Industries. Design the best, build the best, for the best. Today I wanted to take you on another tour of another part of the grapple yarder, the 7280E. So this is the hybrid electric machine. I'm standing just outside the doorway to the engine room and generator area. So the first thing you can kind of see just from the outside is that shiny aluminum object there. That's the generator that generates the power for the machine. It's driven by the diesel engine. And so this is a hybrid electric. It's a diesel electric hybrid. Doing that allows us to have better fuel economy, more power, better control, that sort of thing. So yeah, next we'll go inside and I'll give you a little tour around in there and show you a few things. Hi guys, I hope you can see okay in here. So here we have the engine. This is a Series 60 Detroit 14-liter engine. And that is set up with an electronic throttle, so it responds to the machine demand sort of automatically. Cooler's over there. It goes into, and those of you that are familiar with these machines will recognize some of these parts, but for those of you that aren't, this is actually a gearbox that's driving the hydraulic pumps. So there's a series of gears in here that drive, there's a couple of travel pumps back there, one for left track, one for right track. One for swing, slewing's over here, and then a couple different hydraulic pilot pumps and lubrication pumps and that sort of thing. So this is actually was originally in the machine, so this is relatively unchanged. This stuff was here. You can kind of see in the background there some hydraulic valves and things have been added. Those are all electrically piloted, electrically operated valves from the cab remote control, which you would have seen in the other videos. And then from there, this box that I'm sitting on underneath it has a drive shaft that comes across and drives this generator. And so that's basically the power flow for the machine mechanically is engine, pump box, back across. And this is sitting where the, in this particular machine, where the torque converter and transmission originally was. And so we've sort of taken that out and put this in. And if we look here, that's attached to this box here, which is the inverter. Now the interesting thing about this is actually the same as the motors that are on the drives. Just about the same part number, same setup, same inverters. So these things can act like a motor or a generator, and in fact they do that in the winch as well. Here it's just a generator. So that's kind of how this works in here, and hopefully you all find that interesting. I certainly did.